fast forward thinking, would you rewind and let us in? I'll be ready where the pieces fall tonight.
Ang buhay mag-asawa ay hindi madali. Ang buhay mag-asawa ay hindi simple. Ito ay maraming hamon na dadaanan at maraming beses na susubukan ang inyong katapatan sa isa't isa. Titingnan talaga kung ang pag-ibig mo ay walang pasubali, kung ang pag-ibig mo ay walang dahilan.
Thrown out in the wreckage, didn't want this in my soul, cleaning paces. You gathered all the wreckage and you made this safe.
Ang pag-ibig ni Alexis para kay Joy ay pag-ibig na walang pasubali. Pag-ibig na walang dahilan. Iniibig kita dahil iniibig kita.
Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together, hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and sound.
Mahal, sana magustuhan mo itong munti kong regalo para sa'yo bago tayo kasal. Mahal na mahal kita. See you later, Salta.
Caught up with facing till the ground beneath them. I'll be ready when the passes fall from sight and you fall again. It's an honor to wait here, floating in the wreckage where I'm wanted. With my restless places, you gathered all the wreckage and you made this. Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together, hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and
Joy Cyril, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Alexis na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father. Alexis,
Kailan ba hindi kita pagpapasilan?
kailan ba hindi kita pagtataksilan?
Isuot mo
Isuot mo
pakaingatan
at pakaingatan
ang singsing na ito
ang singsing na ito
na siyang sangla
na siyang sangla
ng aming pag-ibig
ng aming pag-ibig at katapatan
sa banal
sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Pinapaspasan ko at pinagtitibay ang inyong pagtataling puso